Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Ace 43-inch TV. Okay, it's the model 90 LED 909. You can get this model of the Ace 43-inch LED 909 at Shopee. It's only at 7,856 pesos in Shopee if I have the right model. It's the model LED 909. So we're gonna open it up now. And once you open it, you'll see the stand, okay, on top. And under the box comes the remote control and the screws and the battery and the manual. Okay, so we're gonna unwrap it already. So there you can see the 43-inch Ace TV. We're going to turn it around so that you can see the connectors in the back. So the connectors are found on the side of the left side on the back. As you can see, there's two USB ports, the RCA jacks, okay? And here in the bottom are the two HDMI ports, the VGA port, audio in and antenna, and the coaxial. We'll change the view again. Wait. Okay, as you can see, there's the coaxial here. There's the two HDMI ports, a VGA port, a VGA audio in, and the antenna. This is where you plug in your coax cable if you have Sky Cable or any other cable provider. Okay, its AC input is 110 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 kilohertz, and the power consumption is 75 watts. The back of the Ace 43 inches has 4 mounts, which comes also already with 4 specially made screws for the back if you are gonna do it via a wall mount. Okay, so this goes there, see, okay, and there's also 8 of the pointy screws to be used for the legs of the TV, which we are going to put now because the wall mount is not yet ready, because the mount that I have already has a TV. In case you lose your remote, on the right side of the bottom of the TV, if the TV is facing you, there are control buttons. As you can see, there's the volume minus, volume plus, channel minus, channel plus, source, menu, and power. Okay, which is good if you can't find your remote or your remote is already low bat. The ports or the holes for the leg mounts are found on the ends of the TV, see? Okay, so we're gonna put the mounts now. Along with the screws provided, the 8 ones, you'll see 4 of this, okay? That's supposed to, 2 of each needs to go to the feet of the mounts so that it doesn't wobble and slide. There's 4 square rubber pegs go sticker first inside the holes. Okay, remove the white covering, just plug it in there. Okay, so we're ready to stand it up and test it out. And as you can see, we already connected the Mi box and it actually works. It looks nice. Okay, you can play well so that you hear the sound. We're gonna put it at 40. And the sound looks like it can go all the way up to 100. Now we're gonna show you that it works also on free air TV. Okay, so we did the auto scanning earlier. As you can see, the signal is bad because we're just using an internal antenna. So it was able to get, I think, 5 or 4 channels. So if you're using a bigger antenna, most likely you'll get better reception. Okay, and the menu there, you can choose tuning type, air or cable. We don't have cable, so that's not going to be part of it. Okay. Oh. Yes, okay, menu. And then there's the picture modes where you can adjust it, the kind of sounds, you can adjust the treble, bass, and the balance. Okay, you can set a timer for when it should turn on and turn off. And I think that's for the language, blue screen, keyboard lock, captions if you want captions. It also has parental control, so you can lock it. Okay. And there's a software update via USB if you need to update it, but I don't know how we're gonna update it. Okay. Okay, and it says here it's slim design. Yes, it's slim and it's not that heavy. Okay, it has 2 ports of HDMI ports. You can put in a PC according to them. We're gonna try it soon. USB, you can put a USB to watch media or your pictures. There's a digital noise filter, real cinema viewing, and it's supposed to be smart energy saving. So once again, this is the Ace 43-inch model LED 909 normal DN5.